we are looking at how to pronounce these two words. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting vocabulary in English that get a lot of people confused. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. So how do you say those two? Well, let me spoil it for you. Those are homophones, meaning they are to be pronounced exactly the same way. The top word are those strings that you put on a horse or a reindeer, and it's said as rain, rain. The bottom word here is the water that falls from the sky as droplets, droplets of rain. They are both pronounced exactly the same way, rain. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names that many mispronounce you won't anymore after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.